Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson from TootieLicious.com. Today I'm going to teach you to make hot spinach dip without artichokes. Let's get started. First things first, I like spinach and I choose fresh spinach, but if you want to do it easier, you can use a 10-ounce box of frozen spinach. Make sure you drain it and squeeze it as dry as possible. Next, you're going to add mayo and whatever your favorite brand is. So I'm going to use a cup of mayo. I'm going to use half a cup of sour cream, 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic, and then I'm going to use Parmesan cheese. And I usually just divide this up and it's a half a cup in here. So, okay. And then I'm going to use green onions, and I have about maybe 1.5 green onions in here. Next, I'm going to use my seasoning mix, which is salt and pepper and garlic powder. And I'm going to use a teaspoon of that. And then you're going to mix it all together and then bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes until it's ready to go. And before you take it out the final time, you take it out in about 20 minutes and then you cover it with cheese again and bake it, well, broil it if you will, for about 3 to 4 minutes until the cheese is brown as you like it. And then let it cool for a few minutes and it's ready to eat. So there you go. That's how you make hot spinach dip without artichokes.